Inden Pharma is a Spanish company engaged in the manufacture of primary packaging for the pharmaceutical industry, with ISO 9001 and ISO 15378 certification. Located in EB Alicante, in one of the most value-added industrial areas in Spain, we focus on and serve the pharma sector, providing primary packaging solutions for both human and animal healthcare. We manufacture our containers with homologated materials in accordance with European Pharmacopoeia and FDA regulations. Within our standard portfolio, you can find solutions for the packaging of oral liquids, vials for nasal or topical oral use, and buccal for dosage pumps. Packaging for ophthalmic products with nozzles and tamper-proof caps, packaging for solid oral products with tamper-proof caps and silica gel deposits, and parenteral containers. Production takes place within a surface area of 8,500 square metres, distributed on 2 floors with 6 clean rooms, classified as ISO 7 and ISO 8 in accordance with ISO 14644-1 regulations, under the highest quality standards and GMP rules. We have an extensive fleet of machinery that allows us to manufacture more than 500 million primary packaging containers per year. All of this is supervised by a workforce of more than 140 highly qualified, trained and motivated staff working in the same direction and with a clear vocation for customer service. Our quality system, under the parameters of continuous improvement, establishes the different types of in-process quality controls, as well as the maintenance of the production machinery fleet, moulds, robotised stations and facilities, which allows us to ensure that all our products have been checked and that we provide reliable primary packaging containers, meeting all the requirements of the sector and your expectations. Currently, in addition to the countries of the EU, we're also present in the United Kingdom, Norway, Switzerland, Eastern Europe, Middle East, Maghreb, India, North America, Central and South America. Every day, we supply laboratories of all different sizes, from the smallest to the most world-renowned in the top 10, creating long-term, stable relationships. Inden Pharma's organic growth was accentuated in 2020 as a result of the acquisition of the assets of a major European company, which has enabled us to become one of the main suppliers to the pharma sector. One of our main concerns is respect for the environment. Over recent years, we have made significant investments in order to achieve efficient energy use. The most notable of these is the installation of our photovoltaic plant, consisting of 2,500 solar panels with an electricity generation capacity for self-consumption and to contribute to a reduction of CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. Our philosophy, agility, flexibility and customer focus is what makes us different. You're welcome to come and visit Inden Pharma.